How to enable flash notification on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and S23 FE. Open the app drawer on your device and tap the settings app. Now tap on the search button and you can search the flash notification, or go to settings, scroll down up to accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Here you can find the advanced setting option. Tap on it. Now you can see flash notification option in the notification section. Tap the flash notification. Now flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notification or when alarm sound on your device. You can see two options available: camera flash notification and screen flash notification. Let's see one by one. First, tap on a camera flash notification. Here you can individually enable or disable the camera flash notification you want to show when you receive notification on your device. So just toggle on or off the option you want to enable camera flash notification. Now go back, tap on screen flash notification. Here you can choose application, select the app. Now here you can select the application. Here we select the call option. Now tap on the dot icon. Here you can choose the color for a screen flash color. Now we select the green color. Now tap on a done. Now go back. Now tap on a preview and you can see how it looks when you receive notification on your Samsung S24 FE and S23 FE. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to turn off camera flash notification or screen flash notification. That's it. Like it, share it.